Hi viewers, welcome to Bashir Maths World channel. In this video I am going to explain now Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So Cayley-Hamilton theorem we have to discuss about in this video. Let's go to the topic. Look here now, Cayley-Hamilton theorem definition first. What is the statement saying? Okay, we will see that here. Every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. Every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. We know the characteristic equation what ma? Determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. This is called what ma? Characteristic equation. This is satisfied, then it is called Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay. So let's go to one problem. If A is equal to 2, 1, 2, 5, 3, 3, minus 1, 0, minus 2. Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So let's go to the problem answer. A is equal to given matrix. We know Cayley-Hamilton theorem what? Every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. So that is the statement you know. What is the characteristic equation of the formula? Determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Substitute this matrix in the form of A minus lambda I equal to 0. 2 minus lambda, 1, 2, 5, 3 minus lambda, 3, minus 1, 0, minus 2 minus lambda. Okay. Now this is how to find out my determinant. Shortcut formula I told now in previous videos. Lambda cube minus sum of diagonals into lambda square, sum of cofactors of diagonals into lambda minus determinant A equal to 0. This is a shortcut formula for finding the determinant of 3 by 3 order matrix. Sum of the diagonals means 2, 3 minus 2. How much? 3. Sum of the cofactor diagonals, how to find out? A11 plus A22, A33. You know how to find out A11 value? 2 close, we can multiply determinant. 2, 3 close, A22, multiply determinant. And minus 2 close, find out the determinant. So we will get answer, sum of the cofactor of diagonals, minus 7. After that we have to find out the determinant of this matrix. Determinant of the matrix. So we get answer what? 1. How to identify this determinant already. Okay. So let's go to the continue. So what if you get the answer, substitute in the form lambda cube minus 3 lambda square minus 7 lambda minus 15 lambda is equal to 0. Okay. Lambda cube minus 3 lambda square minus 7 lambda minus 1 equal to 0. This is we get the equation. This characteristic equation is satisfied or not means we have to write this equation in the form of A. So to verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem, we have to show that this total equation right in A terms. What? A cube minus 3A square minus 7A minus 1 equal to 0. So in this equation, what are the terms are there? A cube. A cube find out first means A square into A square. A into A find out. Okay, A into A, know how to multiply. This problem, how to multiply in cashier, I told in previous videos. How to multiply both matrices. Okay, like that. Next to find out the A cube. A cube means A square into A. Already A square came out. A this one. Multiply, we get answer A cube answer. So these values A cube value and A square value, A value, substitute in this equation. A cube minus 3A square minus 7A minus 1 equal to 0. We substitute here A cube value minus 3 into A square minus 7 into A minus 1 into I, identity matrix. If you do this calculation, definitely we get answer what ma? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Definitely manago, if you do మీరు ఎంత క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తే డెఫినెట్లీ ఆన్సర్ వాట్ 0. కంపల్సరీ ఆన్సర్ 000 వస్తేనే we get the answer what Cayley-Hamilton theorem is verified. Cayley-Hamilton theorem is verified. Otherwise you will get wrong answer. So definitely we put the answer what all 000 matrix. So Cayley-Hamilton theorem is verified. Okay, this is the how to find out the Cayley-Hamilton theorem verified. Okay, let's go to another problem. Second problem, verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem for the matrix A is equal 1 2 3 2 minus 1 4 3 1 minus 1, and also find here inverse of the matrix. Second question also asking here inverse of the matrix due to through Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Okay, ఈ క్వశ్చన్ లో వెరిఫై Cayley-Hamilton theorem అడుగుతున్నాడు, ప్లస్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఆఫ్ ది మ్యాట్రిక్స్ కూడా కనుక్కోవాలి త్రూ ఓన్లీ Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Same process we have go. A matrix, the characteristic of the equation formula, determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Okay, substitute in this formula this A matrix 1 minus lambda 2 3 2 minus 1 minus lambda 4 3 1 minus 1 minus lambda. So this determinant find out like that formula, shortcut formula, lambda cube minus sum of the diagonals into lambda square plus sum of the cofactor of diagonals into lambda minus determinant. These values we have to find out down here. Sum of the diagonals, what my answer? Add diagonal elements, we will get answer minus 1. Sum of the cofactor of the diagonals, a11 a22 a33 find out minus 18. Determinant A find out 40. These all values substitute in the formula, lambda cube plus lambda square minus 18 lambda minus 40. So these equation we write in the form of A for verifying the verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Verify Cayley-Hamilton theorem చేయాలంటే ఈ టోటల్ ఈక్వేషన్ ని A లో కన్వర్ట్ రాయాలి. A క్యూబ్ ప్లస్ A స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ 18A మైనస్ 40. సో దీని నుంచి మనకు ఈక్వేషన్ ఏమన్నామా A క్యూబ్ A స్క్వేర్ ఉంది కాబట్టి A క్యూబ్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ A క్యూబ్ బిఫోర్ గోయింగ్ A స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ A స్క్వేర్ ఇంటూ మల్టిప్లై మాన్యువల్ చేయండి లేదా క్యాషియర్తో చేయండి, రెండిట్లో ఏదైనా చేయొచ్చు. You can follow anyone. Okay, A square find out, we will get answer. Again A cube means A square into A multiply. Okay, so A cube means A square into A multiply, we get answer A cube. So A cube answer you know, A square answer you know, already A matrix you know. So these all matrices substitute in the equation. What A cube plus A square minus 18A minus 40 equal to 0. If you substitute in this whole equation, what will get last answer? Always answer what 000. So we will get 0 matrix. Then Cayley-Hamilton theorem is verified. Appudu Cayley-Hamilton theorem verify అయినట్టు. So next we will find out to find in A inverse matrix find out చేయాలమ్మా. A inverse matrix find out by only Cayley-Hamilton theorem equation. Okay, what is Cayley-Hamilton theorem equation కేమో A cube minus plus A square minus 18A minus 40I equal to 0. Multiply both side by A inverse. This total equation multiply by both side A inverse తో multiply అండి. A inverse into A cube చూడండి, A inverse into A cube plus A square minus 18A minus 40I equal to A inverse into 0. So what we get ma? A inverse into A cube చేస్తే ఏమైందమ్మా, A inverse into A cube చేస్తే A square will get. Similarly A square into A inverse చేస్తే A. Next I into A inverse, we get what? A inverse only. These are the terms. Okay, so multiply we get what? A square plus A minus 18I minus 40 A inverse equal to 0. Okay, minus 40 A inverse equal to these terms transfer here, minus A square minus A plus 18I. So the minus multiply both side, 40 A inverse equal to A square plus A minus 18I. We want A inverse is equal to what? 1 by 40 A square plus A minus 18I. Substitute all values here, already we find there. Okay, A inverse equal to 1 by 40. A square value already find out చేసినామా, 14 3 8 12 9 minus 2 2 4 14 plus A value 1 2 3 2 minus 1 4 3 1 minus 1. minus 18 identity matrix 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. These all do additions or subtraction. We get answer ma minus 3 by 40 1 by 8 11 by 40 minus 7 by 20 minus 11 by 4 1 by 20 1 by 8 1 by 8 minus 1 by 8. So this is the A inverse from characteristic equation. So this is the method how to verify the Cayley-Hamilton theorem and how to find out the A inverse. This is the topic of Cayley-Hamilton theorem. So I hope all of you understood this topic. So all of you understood means you have to subscribe this channel and follow this channel and like and share to your friend this video. So it is useful to everyone, BTech and degree students. Okay. Thank you so much.